What is this? I think my phone is not working. My phone is not working, I think. What is the charging point? This side? Excuse me, young lady, is this side? What? No charging point. How? What the hell is this? What I'll do with this charger? This side? Excuse me?
No, sir.
That side? Nowhere charging point. What is this? What is this? There is no charging point. I want to talk to my beloved wife, but there is no charging point. How can I talk to me? No at all. Not at all. No. I am not satisfied with this type of flight. These airlines have no charging point. These airlines have no got charging point. Then how I am going to talk to my wife? You tell me. Miss, you understand, no? Okay. Then see.
So what happened, sir? You need a charger?
Yes.
You need the charging point.
Charging point. I have got charger. By one charging point. There is no charging point here indeed.
Excuse me, sir.
See?
Sir, please calm down. Can you be seated, please?
Why? I want my things should be fulfilled right now. I want my demand should be fulfilled right now.
So
why not you talking nonsense with me?
Sir, you need the socket, right? You need the charging point.
Yes,
Point,
very much yes.
Okay. So just allow me another option that we have merchandise cart where we do have power banks, but you have to pay for it and it will cost around like 3,000.
I am not bothering about 3,000, 5,000, 1,000. No, not at all.
Yes, sir.
I want to talk to my wife right now. And you must do something. I am not going to spend a penny. I am not going to spend a single penny for this. And I tell you one thing. In future, I won't fly in these airlines. Sure.
So please
And I, this verbal power is much more. I will tell of my fellow passengers, this thing you spread
So
everywhere so that this airline should suffer. This
So I'm
no, not at all. No, please don't placate me. No, placate me. Don't placate me. Excuse me, ma'am. Please go away. Please go away. I don't want to talk to you because my small demand is not
I completely
fulfilled.
agree, sir, but just give me a minute to explain you. The sockets are not equipped in the armrest right now. I have checked with my fellow crew members, they do not have it. So only option which is left right now, if you really want to charge your phone, then we have the power bank which is there in the merchandise cart which you have to buy. But then you are not ready. So what we can do is, sir, so what we can do, right now you cannot make the call to your wife, correct?
Because they might also not be comfortable.
But
sir.
I asked the ladies.
I'm so sorry, sir.
What
But then
she's
please try
telling
and
me?
understand, sir.
Huh?
Please try and understand, sir. Can you please
What
provide-
understand? What understand? You
sir,
are relocating me. You sit there. I don't sit there. So do you think I will go and sit on the wing?
no,
That's
sir, I'm
right.
not saying
Do you
to
think
that.
so?
No, sir, I'm not saying you to sit on the wing, sir. Basically, I'm just saying you to sit on your own seat, sir.
My
It's a business
own
class
seat?
Yes,
I-
the seat over, 3 Charlie,
Mm-hmm.
on your third row, sir.
Uh-huh.
Can you sit on your seat, sir? Like basically-
No. I am feeling comfortable here. I want to sit here. And what you telling me?
Sir,
What you are
sir,
telling me?
Business class seat, sir. You have to book on ground, sir. So now I cannot assist you with it, sir.
This is the first time. This is the first time you're hearing this. See? This is the first time I am hearing this. Huh?
फर्स्ट टाइम उड़ रहे हो क्या?
No, not at all. Not at all. So many times I told you, so many times, young boy, so many times. But you help me. You see my age. You see my
Sir,
age.
I do
Please
have-
help me out. See, this air hostess is telling me, you go that way, you go that way. What is this?
So I'm so sorry. Please try and understand my concern, sir, basically. Because, there are some seats that you have to pre-book it, sir.
Again,
Like on ground you would have done, sir, basically. Now I cannot assist you, sir.
then you... What is this noise? What is this noise? Excuse me. What is this noise?
नॉइज तो आप कर रहे हो
Huh?
वो उससे ज्यादा नॉइज आप कर रहे हो
Me?
हाँ
Are you sure?
वही तो।
Oh, no, don't know. Let let me sleep.
shouting,
Oh,
all the crew. This man is always
I don't know. I want to sleep peacefully. I want to sleep peacefully. Understand?
I don't know what to do
Understand?
with her.
Oh,
Started for
Sir,
no
what
reason.
happened?
actually, ma'am.
I'll just
I want
Sir,
to.
what
I
happened?
want to sleep peacefully.
Okay.
But
So
this,
what is the
what's the
concern?
noise coming from this
So you
side?
need to move
That
out of
side.
the ground. Is this coming?
What he's saying?
Ma'am, just give me a minute. Let me explain it to him.
Yeah.
Sir,
What
Sir,
is
it's
the
an
noise?
engine noise.
Huh?
Engine noise, sir.
What engine noise?
So this is very normal, sir. I think everybody is sleeping. I mean, it's normal.
I
supposed to be
don't
there.
care. I don't care. It is engine noise or what. Ask the pilot to shut it down. Ask the pilot. Oh, what?
That is not possible. Relax for a while. Okay?
Huh?
Why are you creating a panic scene over here? It's an engine noise and it cannot be shut. You need to cooperate sometimes.
Oh, are you sure?
Yes,
Engine
normal,
noise.
sir.
Engine noise.
It's
No.
just going to be
No. Ask the pilot to shut the engine. I want
will be
to
shut.
I want
Sir,
no.